Well, it's almost the middle of August, so by now you've probably enjoyed most of your tried and true fresh corn and tomato recipes, right? But there is still time to broaden your corn and tomato horizons and make some new discoveries. So if you're game, I've got a live class coming up on Sunday, August 17th that you won't want to miss. Now our class is going to feature a couple of harvest baking beauties, starting with these fresh corn, cheddar, and herb biscuits. There's just something extra special about making them with your farmer's market haul. You're going to love the way these fresh flavors harmonize with one another and how perfect they are with just that little bit of crunch from the cornmeal that we use. Now these biscuits are way too good not to repurpose them for your table. So with just a couple of little tweaks, we're going to turn them into a topping for a savory tomato and corn cobbler. That's right, savory, not sweet. Now imagine a fragrant tomato stew, perfectly seasoned with herbs and spices and topped with our crusty corn and cheddar biscuits. Well, you get the idea. It is the perfect late summer lunch or dinner. But you know, I had some leftovers for breakfast the other day and it really hit the spot. And there you have it, a couple of fresh, healthy, almost farewell to summer dishes that I know you're going to want to try. So I hope you can join us. You'll find the sign-up links below. And don't forget, like I always say, if you can't join us live, you can always tune in later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in class.